Well, we're gonna pick some corn today and take a look at the update on the gardens that we built out here at the end of the spring. Got a few watermelons coming in. These potatoes are ready to go. Gonna probably dig some potatoes out as well. The squash are trying to do something here. The corn came out okay here. We got a bunch of ears of corn. Let's take a look at the tomatoes. Tomatoes are growing. And again, we just threw a bunch of stuff in the ground because we had a little bit of time. Nothing crazy. Raspberries are coming in. Those will be a nice hedge next year. So that's kind of the garden update for the boring project.